So I've just spent some time riding the Nova X e-bike, and I've got to say, this thing surprised me in a few ways. First off, the build. It looks aggressive, kind of like a mix between a dirt bike and a commuter e-bike. The frame feels solid, and the suspension actually does a decent job soaking up bumps on rough roads and light off-road trails. Now the motor. It's quick, but not insane. You'll feel strong acceleration off the line, especially in higher assist modes, but once you hit top speed, it levels out pretty quickly. I'd call it more fun fast than scary fast. Battery life is okay, not amazing. If you're riding full throttle all the time, expect to charge it fairly often. But for mixed riding, commuting, and casual weekend rides, it holds up fine. Comfort-wise, the seat and riding position are pretty decent for longer rides, though not premium. Here's the honest part. It's not a high-end e-bike, but for the price, it delivers a lot of fun. If you want perfection, look elsewhere. If you want something exciting and budget-friendly, the Nova X actually makes a strong case. Overall, worth your money? Yeah, if you know what you're getting into.